I think soccer's really helped me read the bigger picture because my position is goalkeeper. And so I have to see the whole field, not just my own position. So I have to look out for a lot of other people, and that's helped me to see a lot of things that can be like one-sided, but now I can see the whole picture. My teachers are very supportive, especially with flex period. I can go and talk to my teachers very easily. I feel like all the support here, it can help me to push harder. I actually want to go play for a professional national for Mexico. I feel like Fairmont can help me a lot to achieve that goal. I know this is a very prestigious school for academics, and I was worried that I'd fall behind, but I've noticed that I've increased too. Usually it's hard for me to balance my times and my activities, so I feel like I can excel at both sports and for academics as well.